In primetime news this evening, still at it. Firefighters and NSWMA working overtime to contain Riverton fire.
A deputy mayor blasts Kingston mayor over the appointment of political affiliate to co-chair KSAMC committee.
And future of the embattled NWC CEO still undecided. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome if you're watching on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands or online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Janella, lots to cover this evening. The World Bank has released its latest outlook for Jamaica and the Caribbean region. So you want to hear that we are expecting growth, but possibly at a slower rate. And also, it's Wednesday, so I have your gas price, so you definitely don't want to miss that.
All right, and Jermaine Brown is also here with a preview of what's to come in sports. Jermaine.
Well, thank you, Herman. Good news this evening for track and field athletes looking to qualify for the Olympics later this year. Prize money will be an offer for the first time ever. We'll tell you how a bit later on.
I love the sound of that, and Romain is also here with a preview of what's to come in the weather report and forecast.
Thanks, Janella. We're not seeing any significant weather or any rainfall activity across the eastern portion of the island over the next few days, and we do also see some even greater drying across the west when we look at the 3-day outlook.
All right. There's also sports commentary E-Prime in this newscast, but before the break, here's our feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, how have you been impacted by the fire at the Riverton Dome?
Now you can share your comments online at facebook.com/televisionjamaica or on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.